My friends, welcome to my 200 3D CAD models in FreeCAD series. Exercise 147 is what we will be doing today, and this is a fairly simple object. So I want to use this image to draw this sketch because it is mostly sketching actually on this object. I'm gonna go ahead and take this 100 as my reference line to calibrate, and then make it a half transparent and keep it on XY plane. That's what we want to build it. And now I want to relocate this center to that point. I'm go ahead and transform the image. Actually, I'm moving the image, not the center, just to make sure, like, we are saying that same thing that we are doing. I could take this center up here too, but this seemed more logical to me. All right. Now I want to draw a sketch on XY plane, and I'll take it one by one, starting with this slot. Okay, so this length, I can do the length right now, which is 35.9, right? And then place it on here, and then have this radius inserted there. Makes it easier on this 0.22 version. All right, so we got that. Now I want to build an arc. Okay, let's take an arc and have it from here. So it will actually be 12 radius, and from here to, I must say, there. Okay, and maybe while we are building arcs, so this is going to be 26.9 radius, and let's probably take it from here to there. And then I want to take create an arc by 3 points, which is named differently in 0.21 version. The rim point and end point arc. So whatever the name is, it is arc by 3 points. All right, and now we go back to straight line. Notice how I did not use the polyline on this. Polyline is great, but on figures like this, I prefer to use the straight lines. All the tangencies are applied. Now we have to do the dimensions only. So maybe have the circle inside there while we are at it. So this is 7.5 radius. All right, so this point is 22.2 millimeter away from the center, and this is 100 minus 22.2 millimeter away from the center. This radius, why didn't I apply it? Okay, it's already there. It's 12 millimeter. I don't know why it. Okay, here. So the distance between these two is 18. We applied that as 18, right? And then we place these two at the same vertical plane. Okay, that's big thing. Okay, now it's moving because it doesn't have a radius. So let's go ahead and apply a radius of 24. And maybe I want to make these two equal. Right, while we are making equal things, these two will be equal with radius of 30. And this is, we already have the radius in there. Okay, what else? Maybe we can make these two equal, and that's a fully constrained sketch. it would be wise to do this center right now. So that's the 41.7. Okay, that would be divided by 2. So that's the diameter. Okay, there it is, our full sketch. Let's take a look at it. It looks great. I'm gonna go ahead and say sketch base and extrude that for 5 mm. Maybe make it symmetric. So go to the data tab and make it symmetric. The only thing left is to build this cylindrical tube. So that's simple. That's the tube, right? And then the outside diameter is 24 and inside diameter is 7.5. And the height is 10. We'll keep it there. And now we want to move it 22.2 mm on X direction. And then move it downward by 5. Actually, this is 15 mm. Good catch. So the height is 15, and here it will be minus 7.5, half of what the total height is. And then we can go ahead and make them one piece, and that's our object. That is our object. So if it comes with like hexagonal holes in here, it would be a wrench. What I mean by that is, actually, let's go back to the sketch, right, and make this construction geometry. We don't want to delete it right now, just want to make a point here. We say like that, and we make this vertical, right, and that becomes a wrench. We'll have to modify the tube though. So this tube, if we wanted to modify this, actually this tube will not work for us. We'll have to draw another sketch on XY plane where we take reference of this edge and this edge, right, and hide the object. And then we say we draw a circle and place this point on this by pressing C, and then we draw a hexagon there, and we take it up by 15 and make it symmetric. Cool. So that's our wrench. We can make it one piece, and that is our wrench. This is the handle. With the same style, we can make this wrench as well. Okay, yeah, why not? That's a very big wrench, and this is small wrench. Anyway, hopefully you liked this process. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.